Welcome back to another epic review. Today we are reviewing these Everlast training gloves. Heavy bag training boxing workout mitt work, 14 ounces. Let's go ahead and show you what's inside the packaging. This is what they look like. I will admit they seem to be made of very good quality, so I am impressed. It is Velcro strap to make it tight. The question is, how are they going to actually work? So let's just go ahead and test them out. They definitely feel a little strange, especially when I'm used to these little hand small ones. And let's see how well we can put it on with just ourselves. So we can't really put it on like this. Definitely feels interesting. All right, there we go. As you guys can see, our punching bag, we need more sand in, so it's not as, so we stand back here. Woo! That's a workout. All right, so let's see our hands. If there's any bruising, because we gave her some nice shots. Holy cow, let me catch my breath. No, it doesn't appear to be, maybe a little red around the knuckles, but no, like, no, everything seems to be good.